cross your face, would we forget that we were strangers? If I was there to take it in, to walk between the changing spaces, dance through light and altered places, would I fight again? Gone over the stream, oceans of blank space, high on that plane, bridged by a light
Here it is, the BMW M4 Competition. I've been teasing this on my Instagram for a while now. It's my new daily driver. I'm really genuinely excited about it. It is finished in Isle of Man green, one of my favorite colors ever put on a vehicle. That's seriously like half the reason that I was even interested in M4s in the first place. It's a really cool car, but first, even my first 20 minutes in this, I instantly realized why BMW drivers have a reputation for driving crazy. It's because it's so fun to drive and just throw around and floor it. The McLaren, you can't drive like that. You'll be going 190 miles an hour in a heartbeat and crash and die. Like, this car is perfect. I know people have said it 1,000 times, but it was cool to experience that firsthand. But I've also got a really interesting concept for the whole build in mind. Besides that, I want to make this the ultimate flip a switch and it changes vehicles. So we've got a Valvetronic exhaust coming for it. I want to have two tunes where this thing gets crazy, gnarly, and aggressive when you flip the switch, but you flip the switch off and it drives like an everyday normal car. Maybe something with like a lowering suspension system. I want to be able to make this car change night and day just like that. I think that would be really cool. It's finished in Isle of Man green. I seriously love this color. This is kind of like half the reason I bought this BMW. Honestly, I think it's so nice. It looks really good in all sorts of different lighting. And then just everything else about it. This spec is, in like my opinion, like a holy grail spec. So I'm going to make a follow-up video going over all of the options this car has, because it's got absolutely everything I wanted on a vehicle. Really excited about that. But I think we should go ahead and get started on doing some quick mods.
Oh yeah.